Welcome to this spectacular custom home in Kings Heights. Located just minutes from downtown Portland, it's perfectly situated for amazing mountain, river, and city views. This masterfully crafted home of more than 3,400 square feet offers 3 levels of inviting living space. Enjoy captivating views from multiple terraces and entertaining spaces on every level. The chef's kitchen features quartz countertops, high-end stainless appliances, a 6-burner gas range, and a walk-in pantry. On the top level, relax by the fireplace in the spacious master suite. Savor morning coffee or evening cocktails on your private terrace. The spa-like master bath features a jetted tub, a large tile shower, and an impressive walk-in closet. From here, take in more city views from your private terrace. The family room with a wet bar and fireplace is a perfect gathering place with views of its own. And plenty of room for game night. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home includes 3-zone heating and cooling systems for the ultimate in comfort. Living here, you can walk to Forest Park Trails and Northwest 23rd. Your own private castle in Kings Heights. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.